So we're gonna go to Jenny's Bakery. These guys are like content creators. I don't think they know how good they are. Eat some good, well, Angel's gonna eat some good cookies and like cake. I'm not gonna eat it.
What do you mean?
Oh, we got the photo shoot today. We got the wallet photo shoot.
Yay, our savior.
Cartoons are like Christmas trees. People put a lot of energy into decorating their trees because everyone enjoys the fancy part of the decoration, but to decorate a tree requires that it have branches and needles, and both of these require the tree to have a trunk and, ultimately, roots.
Starting Point by Hayao Miyazaki. This was gifted to me by Caesar for my birthday. Alright, so the parking situation downtown really sucks. But we do have an agreement with the Stanton House Hotel.
That's Stanton House.
And we get to park there in exchange for a couple videos that we make for them every month. So we're gonna go and do that right now.
All right, Angel, let's have some fun. There's a lot of cool shots here that I see.
How did that sales pitch go?
I think it went well. Yeah, it went well. The thing about sales is like, I realize it's like it's like anything, you just gotta keep coming in for the next rep. So it's like, that was my next rep, you know what I mean?
Cool.
Like, it's like dancing, like, oh, I might have misstepped here, but I'm like, that was way better than the last 5. Because like, listen, I'm here to help you. Like, I can get your results. And it's all about conveying that. I'm gonna get you more customers.
Wow.
Drop 500. Let me do what I do. Let me cook, Chris. You make the pizzas, and I'll cook.
And?
All right. Oh, let's talk.
All right, cool. Dude, this is a pretty crazy view.
Video here would be a perfect path. Like from not getting this roof.
Yeah.
But like the mountain to this, I think it's super recognizable. It's like, whoa.
So we're stuck.
We're stuck in the rooftop. It's cold.
It's cold out here, my eyes are watering.
Like I'm laughing, but I think this thing is broken.
That's fine. We'll just call the front desk, right?
So we're gonna go to Jenny's Bakery. These guys are like content creators. I don't think they know how good they are. But we're gonna go to Jenny's Bakery, eat some good, well, Angel's gonna eat some good cookies and like cake. I'm not gonna eat it.
What do you mean?
Because I just can't, dude. I'll break out. And then, oh, we got the photo shoot today. We got the wallet photo shoot.
No worries.
Yay, our savior. Just kidding.
Talk about the middle of nowhere. All right, so this was Jenny's Bakery, and wow, did they make such an impression. It's Jenny and Nathan. They're a duo that do photography, bakery, and all kinds of like different pieces of art, essentially, with just kind of pastries, cakes, cookies, you name it. They'll custom make whatever you want. So they ended up giving us a tour like around the entire spot. That chalk wall was freaking legit. Dude. Oh yeah, that's right. They had an entire 3D printing area with like 2 different types of like 3D printers, and they'll make stuff like that.
She kept saying they make everything, all their signs, everything by hand, but it's like in a Casey Neistat way, because they like make it like they made a sign with like a motor with like where the hand moves. Badass. Like, yeah. They don't make simple stuff, they make like fucking intricate shit.
Yeah, it's so cool, dude. Like they even had like Motley Crue. They hired them to make pastries for like one of the shows or like whatever. And so yeah, they're getting reached out to.
It's just gonna be like one video that blows them up and then it's over.
Yeah.
They're all over the place. This is awesome.
This was pretty legit.
And they're like, their content is awesome. And they really care about like their branding. They like love everything that they make. I don't know how to express this, but like, I feel like they're really gonna go far. Like, it was cool to get to meet them because they do it for them. They don't do something unless they really fucking love it.
It's so dark in here.
I know, dude. I was telling Jay, I was like, I like it. I like it. Things are on display. But the sun's gone.
Yeah.
The sun has left my life.
Yeah, I think we're gonna put them up on the wall for sure.
What's going on here?
What is?
What's going on here? Oh, no way. From Shrek?
Yeah.
This poor little fucker. Suspicious smell.
Suspicious what?
Suspicious.
Why don't you eat some of
Why?
the broken pieces and
Yeah,
tell me
some of the broken
if you like it?
Oh, fuck yeah. That beats that bullshit Target stuff. You know, you build a gingerbread house cookie and it tastes like cardboard.
Yeah.
It's way better.
Whoa, this is
I gotta close it.
Yeah.
It is?
Open it.
That's fucking so sick. I love this guy. Yeah, they go hard. The packaging is so fire.
Dude, their packaging is
That's the
next
link you sent,
level.
obviously, right?
Yeah. What about this? This is their packaging. This is their.
That's their packaging?
Dude, that's their packaging.
That's
Down on Cherry Lane.
That's sick, dude.
It reminds me of Apple packaging.
Now let's work on a couple of products of our own.
Last guy.
Dang, dude, that's legit. All right. That's the end of the day and the end of the vlog. See you all later.